it's a crossing finger, the samba time. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. So it's, but you play all the notes with staccato. So really jump, jump, jump. Accent. Legato. Staccato again. So set and repeat from beginning again. Second time, both in a 1 octave higher. Moving to second page, but not top line, starting from the second line. So go back to the the position where it is writing on. Now I count one more time. It's an incomplete measure starting from B2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And second time both and 1 octave higher. The end of each slur and never give them accent. You have to listen carefully to give them a naturally diminuendo. Really control the last note of each slur. Okay, so that's the first point. Second thing, each bar downbeat, the first beat, it's a quarter note. So really count it like a quarter note, not eighth note, because I heard someone play like a, so like the rest is only do the eighth note, but actually that's wrong. It's a quarter note. It's a ba 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that's why I count like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now just a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So because right hand starting with the eighth note, we count that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the whole song, it's an incomplete measure start. Do you still remember what is incomplete measure? Right. Okay. So the whole piece starting from beat 2. Beat 2. So we count from like 1 and your starting play on beat 2. 1 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and. All right. So now when you finish the second page here, it's not finished. Go back to beginning. This time, we don't play the last 2 bars of the first page. We move to the second page, top line, the third ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So now I play the last line. So like the first page, last line, first bar, jump to the second page, top line.